Bonjour, ça va, vous allez bien? La leçon ديالنا اليوم comme vous allez le remarquer غادي نحاول نديرها en anglais وغنديرها en français et en arabe. نحاول ما يمكن نشرحها en français, en arabe et en anglais. علاش هاد لو شونجمون؟ tout simplement عندي بزاف ديال الناس اللي طلبوا مني اسكو سي بوسيبل نشرح اكثر بالعربيه ولا بالفرنسي لي لوسون. دونك انا غندير هاد الفيديو هادي وغنشوف ونتمنى تردوا عليا لي كومونتير ديالكم كاسكو سا دون. Vas-y. Hi, our lesson today is WH questions. Okay, remember the last time we talked about simple questions. Okay, WH simple questions. Today it's WH word questions. Okay, donc la leçon ديالنا اليوم غتكون على les questions اللي هما les mots interrogatifs. Ok, la dernière fois on a parlé des questions qu'on appelle simples. Donc lorsque la réponse elle est simple, une question directe et une réponse directe. Aujourd'hui c'est des questions avec des mots interrogatifs. Okay, so as I said, today we are going to learn and study WH word questions. Okay, the first point is that the WH word questions, they require more information in their answer. Okay, ça veut dire que ملي كنحطوا السؤال بلي mots interrogatifs, okay, avec les mots interrogatifs, la réponse دائما كتطلب منا معلومات أكثر، ماشي بحال ملي كنحطوا la question une question simple, like for example, do you speak English? Yes, I do. Okay, ماشي بحال قلنا what language do you speak? Okay, so هنايا إلا حطينا مثلا for example هاد la question what languages do you speak? la réponse غتكون فيها بزاف ديال المعلومات، حنا ما عارفين شنو من المعلومات اللي غتعطى لينا. دونك هذا هو les questions avec les mots interrogatifs. Okay, so WH word questions, as I said, they need or they require more information in their answers. Okay, now typical WH word questions are what, where, when, why, how many, how much. Okay, these are typical WH words. Okay, example of a question with a WH word question. Where do you live? Okay, ça c'est un exemple d'une question avec un mot interrogatif. Where is the interrogative word or the WH word? Where do you live? So here in this question, the answer can be very rich. So the answer can be I live in Morocco, in Casablanca. In Casablanca. So this is an example. Okay, now let's move to the second point. So as I said, questions, okay, of course when we form questions we have to respect the order of the words within the question. So to create a WH word question, we start with WH word plus do or does, it depends on the subjects of course, plus subject, plus base form verb, plus rest of the sentence. Okay? Donc, lorsque on pose une question avec un mot interrogatif, donc l'ordre des mots dans la question est le suivant. On commence toujours par le mot interrogatif, ok? Ensuite, l'auxiliaire, ok? Do, toujours, parce que les questions avec des verbes, on commence toujours la question avec le mot interrogatif et l'auxiliaire, do. Parce que do, c'est un auxiliaire qui va avec les verbes. Ok, ensuite, le sujet. Après, il y a le verbe à sa forme. basique et il y a le reste de la phrase. Okay? So as I said, WH word plus do or does plus subject plus base form of the verb plus rest of the sentence. Example, how do you travel to work? Okay? How do you travel to work? C'est une question. How do you travel to work? Notice, we started with how is the interrogative word. Do is the auxiliary. You is the subject. Travel is the verb. To work is the rest of the sentence. How do you travel to work? Okay, good. Now let's move to the next section of our lesson. It's the practice section. Let's go. Okay, let's practice. So I'm going to give you a sentence or a question. Of course, the question is not complete. You have to complete it. Donc, je vais vous donner une phrase, ou plutôt une question. Cette question n'est pas complète. Et vous allez devoir la compléter. Bien sûr, vous allez devoir la compléter avec un verbe et avec un sujet. Okay? Good. So as I said, the questions are not complete. You have to complete them. Okay? Of course, I provide you with the subjects and the verb. Donc, je vais vous procurer le sujet et le verbe. Sentence number one or question number one. What time, blank space, on Sunday? What time, blank space, on Sunday? The subject is you and the verb is get up. So what is the question for you? Very good. The question is, what time do you get up on Sunday? What time do you get up on Sunday? Now, what is the answer? Okay, as for me, I get up at 9 o'clock on Sunday. And you, what time do you get up on Sunday? Good. Example number two. How often, combien de fois? How often your grandparents, you visit, le sujet, you, verb, visit. Okay? How often your grandparents, you visit. What is the question for you? Okay, good. How often do you visit your grandparents? How often do you visit your grandparents? Excellent. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, you? Very good. I visit my grandparents once a week, or I visit my grandparents every weekend. Okay, these are possible answers. As for me, of course, I do not visit my grandparents because I lost them years and years ago. Okay, now let's move to question number 3 or example number 3. Why English? Okay, so the subject is your brother and the verb is learn. Why English? So what's the question for you? Oh, great. Why does your brother learn English? Excellent. Why does your brother learn English? Good. What's going to be the answer? Okay, for you? Yeah, good. It's a possible answer. My brother learns English because he needs it at work. okay? Because he needs it at work. Lots of people learn English on a personal level and also uh, for a professional reason. So people, they need English at work, okay? Good. So I think we stop here, okay? On va s'arrêter là. Thank you very much. See you next lesson, inshallah. And of course, don't forget to leave me a comment. Laissez-moi des commentaires. J'en ai vraiment besoin, surtout pour cette vidéo. Thank you very much. Bye.